Mabugay! All the way from Pampanga, I am Camper Alan, this season's NBSB Overthinker.
Hello, Alan! Hi, Alan, MJ. Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
So
Good
wait,
evening.
what's NBSB? Just for mga hindi nakakaalam.
Ako, para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng NBSB ay no boyfriend since birth. So since conception, eto na, mag-isa ka talaga.
Wow! NBSB. Tapos meron pa nakadikit na overthinker. Bakit may overthinker?
Alam mo na din yung mga kabataan ngayon, tsaka yung mga nakakapanood siguro dito, yung mga mahilig mag-imagine,
Right.
mahilig mag-isip-isip, wala nang ginawa kundi mag-isip. So, sasamahan ko kayo mag-isip sa season na to.
Alright, now, what is that first thing that you look for in a relationship? Ano yung unang hinahanap ni Alan?
Oh my God, sana una ma-define ko muna kung anong relationship. I'm looking for someone siguro who could understand me and maybe sit with me comfortably on my side, especially when my shiwang hits, because my shiwang hits like most of the time.
Oh! Okay, what's your dream date like naman kaya?
Siguro for it to be easier, I want to meet someone and date someone na pwede namin dalhin yung isa't isa sa mga memorable places for each other. Kasi bonus na rin yun eh. We would have a conversation starter what makes this place memorable for you. But aside from that, pwede din naman na any walks in the park na malilim na may saktong food trip. I think that would be a perfect day.
Wow! Okay, abangan pa natin si Alan sa Sparks Camp Season 2. Palakpakan naman natin ang NBSB Overthinker! Alan, thank you!
Thank you!
And now, time to meet our next camper.
Mabugay! I'm EJ Mayakyak and I'm from Batangas City and I'm this season's Queen of Hearts.
Yay! Hi EJ, nice to meet you. It's time for your lip sync battle.
Ay, nasa kalang habang natin dyan.
I know. EJ, first of all, how did it feel na napasama ka sa campers ng season 2? That call that you got, na you made it.
Grabe, gusto ko na ikwento. Kasama ko yung ate doon sa sakyan tsaka yung aso ko. Gusto na tanggap ko yung text nila na nakapasok ako, umiiyak ako MJ. Like, umiiyak ako saya habang may sunset dyan. Sobrang sarap sa feeling.
Wow! Pero noon ba gusto mo na talaga maging part ng Sparks Camp? Or parang in-invite, parang tinukso ka lang na sumali ka?
Actually, pinusyo ko ng mga friends ko, some circle of friends ko na, kung sali ka dyan, kaya mo yan, laban mo yan.
Right.
So, eto na tayo ngayon.
I know! Yung lakad mo palang kanina dun sa trailer, nakita namin.
Diba?
Interesting na, parang ito ba yung workroom or something like that, di ba?
Naloka din ako, tinawag ko workroom, sana hindi tayo makancel.
Sorry, hindi naman. Pero ano ba yung mga struggles, being a drag queen or a drag performer, ano ba yung mga struggles that you had to face? And continuously facing?
Okay, so, in terms of dating ba, or...
Pwede, dating,
So,
oo.
before po kasi medyo, otoko, yan. Kasi eventually, nung nakilala ko si Markova, myself, nawala talaga yung mga lalaki.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, parang feeling ko nung nakita nila yung feminine side ni EJ, parang medyo, hindi masyadong nabupush yung mga
Right.
relationship.
Right.
Pero mahirap din kasi, siguro hindi ko na alam baka, pag nag-jowa ka po kasi ng isang drag queen, dalawang persona kasi yung kailangan mong
Mahalin.
It's the out of drag and in drag. So,
That's right.
meron malaki siyang challenge for the guys din. Pero, syempre at the end of the day, kung gusto mo akong mahalin, edi pakatawanan mo ako, ayun, di ba?
And I think it wouldn't be a challenge if that person really loves you.
Yes, of course.
Di ba?
Yeah, oo.
Okay. So may naman ako, what turns you off in a guy?
Oh?
Ano oras ba kita, EJ?
Siguro yung pagiging disrespectful sa mga service worker.
Pag malapit ang loob mo sa mga service.
Napakalamit ng loob ko sa mga nagsiserve, mga waiters, ganyan. Kasi meron naka-date before. Parang na-late lang yung order namin. Si kuya mo, parang na-hysterical. Bakit late?
Ah,
Pwede mo kasi sabihin nila nice way
That's
lahat.
right.
Bakit ulit? Yung ano ko, na parang hindi sila ma-feel na, syempre pagod sila the whole day. Ano man lang
Tama.
yung sabihin mo, pakipag-usap ka ng maayos. It's just
Right.
the food, di ba?
Right.
Makakakain ka rin naman at the end of the day. So yun sa akin.
Alam mo, feeling ko sa season 2 na to, makakanood namin, marami kang ano doon, mga opinion, mga ilalabas na sa loobin, insights, and we can't wait
Sana.
to hear more from EJ. Palakpakan naman natin. The Queen of Hearts ng Batangas. EJ, thank you. Happy Pride. Okay, after EJ, it's time to call in our next camper.
Hi everyone, Mabuhay! This is Kyle Lawan from Malate, Manila, and I am Manila's premier social butterfly.
Yes! Ikaw, what are you doing here?
Ito.
No, kaya my friend. Nagulat ako na. Nasa ano ka? Season 2.
Surprise!
I know, here you are. Okay. Kyle, but first of all, I wanted to know, why did you want to join Sparks Camp?
Okay, so parang for me kasi Sparks Camp, you know, it's a dating show.
Right.
Pero wala tayong dating
That shouldn't
show.
be your problem.
Ha?
Kasi sinabi mo nga na you're a social butterfly, so what's the need?
Why join?
Oh yeah.
Kasi parang for me, it's good to be part of a stepping stone in history.
Arte?
Meron tayong, hindi kasi di ba, for me kasi, I wanted to show my dad
Right.
na it's okay to date now.
Okay.
Kasi you know, my dad is actually, parang he's worried about me dating as an LGBT member.
Okay.
So parang ngayon, being in a dating show, sabi ko, Dad, it's okay. We're good."
Yun ang gusto mo, yun ang goal mo. Mapakita sa dad mo na, you know, it's okay. Don't worry about me. I can take care of myself.
And the world in front of us is changing in front of us.
Right. Okay. Using a Taylor Swift song, how would you describe your
Oh.
journey sa Sparks Camp Season 2?
Ano to? Look What You Made Me Do by
Ay,
Greg
baka!
No, kasi in a serious
Hindi ba
note-
delicate?
Ay! Oo.
Uy,
Wait lang.
Diba?
Siguro on all seriousness, punta tayo sa red. I think it would be Begin Again.
Ah.
Kasi before, akala ko love is something that hinders and slows us down.
Right.
Pero in Sparks Camp, natutunan ko na love can also uplift all of us to be the person we want to be moving forward.
Hindi ka naman ganyan sumagot pag magkaibigan
Ala!
ka. Ganyan ka na naman. Pero Kyle, okay, so being a social butterfly, nagamit mo ba yon sa Sparks Camp? Like, lahat ba? Ano ba?
Parang maraming alam si MJ na
I know,
share.
I haven't seen the episode 1, but ganun ba? Nagamit mo ba yung
Yes.
people skills mo?
Yeah. You know, as a social butterfly, marami akong nakakausap na tao.
Right.
I think yun yung edge ko in this season na parang meron person that knows how to really blend and feel people's energies. So,
Wow.
kami nagpa-adjust, ganyan. So, of course, ginamit ko siya to my advantage.
So what can we expect from you in the show? What kind of Kyle will we see?
Well, expect nyo na,
Ano?
I'm from the party scene, so
Okay.
lalagyan natin yung kalandian at saka kaharutan.
Ayun! Saka ikaw magsisimula ng ng mga saya.
Yeah, di ba season 1 medyo wholesome?
Right.
Kita ko na
Wholesome
natin
ba?
ideas na
Season
yan.
1?
Ha?
Kasi itong season 1 wholesome, etong season 2
Hindi na wholesome.
Hindi wholesome. Okay, thank you Kyle. Palapakan natin
Thank
si
you so
Kyle.
much.
Thank you Kyle. We'll see you again in a bit. Okay, 3 down, 5 more to go. Let's meet our fourth member.
rapper Martin Chua, and I'm your TikTok boyfriend na naghahanap ng boyfriend. Ito sa Sparks Camp Season 2!
Hey! Hi, Martin! Welcome to Sparks Camp Season 2. TikTok boyfriend. Sino nagbigay sa'yo ng tagline na yun?
Whenever I would post something on TikTok, that's what everyone would say. So,
Ah.
pinagpin ko na lang ang aking state.
Okay, I have a question. Kasi usually, yung mga content creators, when they're on that platform, let's say TikTok, they're very, very confident and, very comfortable. Coming out of that platform and joining Sparks Camp Season 2, paano naging adjustment? I'm sure it was pretty different.
Yeah, actually, how I am on TikTok is how I am in real life, except that I'm very introverted.
Okay.
So, it might seem na I'm very outgoing on camera and on social media, pero sobrang tao talaga ako. Like, I'm in front of a lot of people and a lot of cameras right now, so I'm kind of like,
I know, nakikita mo yung mga TikTok videos mo kasi nag-guest sila sa mga Pride events. Parang, sinasabi mo na parang, oh guys, comment kayo, feedback, how am I doing?
because, yeah, public speaking, I'm not used to public speaking.
Right.
But, kaya naman ng public speaking, but like, kaya naman ng speaking pala, pero in front of the public is more...
Medyo nakaka-tense,
Yeah.
no? Medyo nerve-wracking at times, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Pero yung doon naman sa mismo, crush ka kasi dito eh. Si Pixie. Kanina pa yung sabi niya, asan na si Martin? Sabi niya ganyan. Okay. Pero yung sa loob ng camp, parang ano ba, nanibago ka, like dealing with people that you don't know.
Yeah, oh my God.
Taas ha? Yeah, oh my God.
Ang masasabi ko na lang ay palaban ako sa camp. Kasi normally introverted ako. And
Palaban in what sense? We need to break it down.
Oo, may masabi ako. Palaban, dumandi. Ganun lang.
Socialize.
Yes,
Yeah.
socialize. Which I'm not used to since I'm an introvert. Pero sa camp, talagang pinush ko ang aking sarili.
Okay, but how did your parents react naman? When they learned that you're joining,
So, funny story, I'm not actually out to my family.
you're not out?
Yeah, I'm not out to my family.
Up to now? Before?
Well, yun na. Update ko na kayo sa latest showbiz balita.
Okay.
So, 2 days ago lang actually siya nangyari. So, my mom was asking me na about like the Sparks Camp content that I was posting on TikTok and on Instagram. And then, medyo ina-avoid ko pa yung mga questions niya. Pero eventually, parang siya na mismo nag-initiate na, oh Martin, pag pipili ka ng boyfriend, sana yung maayos ka. So, parang, I guess I didn't need to, I guess Sparks Camp na nga yung way ko to come out to my family. And I didn't really need to tell them about myself. Yun lang. I think they reacted well naman.
Right.
Yeah, thankfully.
I think this, may purpose talaga itong pagsali mo dito sa Sparks Camp. Siguro not just for yourself, but also for your, support system, your family, di ba? Kaya, hindi ka naman naliw. Kung wala Martin, hindi ka naman kakainin ni Biggs. Di ba? Lahat kami dito, we're here to help you promote Sparks Camp Season 2. We're very excited to see your palaban personality in the camp. Thank you, Martin. Maraming salamat. Palapakan natin si Martin. Thank you so much. Thank you, Martin. Halfway done. Camp number 5. Camp number 5. Kaya na siya.
From Las Piñas, ang pretty boy ng Sparks Camp Season 2.
Yay! Vicky! Nice to meet you. Hindi ka mukha siya.
BJ Pascual.
Ha?
BJ Pascual.
Parang BJ Pascual nga. Oo. May pagka-ati sa Manalo. Oh! Tsaka diba? Vicky, nung nalaman mo na you made it final list ng Sparks Camp Season 2, how did you react?
Oh my God, nakakatawa kasi I was sleeping. Tapos pagkagising ko, may nakareceive ako ng text, oh, you made it. So, oh my God! So parang ang ganda ng mood ko.
Okay.
Yung araw na yun. Gabi kasi parang parang alas 6 na.
Okay, pero why did you join Sparks Camp?
Kasi, well, since na lobby mo rin tayo sa ating first day, our boyfriend. So why not? I think it's about time to try our luck again with dating scene.
Yun ang gusto mong masubukan.
Yeah.
Parang, pero ito medyo kakaiba.
Yeah.
Kakaibang setup. In 3 words, how would you describe your experience in Sparks Camp?
It was cathartic.
Okay! Pero ano yung mga ano? Kasi sinabi ko kanina parang Lottie Marie ka dun sa first boyfriend. Parang, what were your learnings from your first heartbreak?
Okay. So, natutunan ko sa first ever relationship ko is that I can never be too much. Like, hindi ko kailangang i-shrink yung sarili ko for that relationship. And if that person says that you're being too much, then that person is not really a person.
That, it's not really a person. It's not really for you eh, di ba? Di ba? Pero wait, mahirap eh, sabi mo ikaw ang pretty boy eh.
Yeah.
Kung pretty naman, nahihirapan pa, paano pa kaming mga hindi pretty?
Well, it depends mo talaga yan kung gaano i-work ang charm mo.
Yon. Parang gagamit ka ng ibang elements.
Yeah.
Your charm, your
Konting
personality.
mahika, konting lande.
Ginamit mo ba yan sa loob?
I think yeah.
Oh.
Malalaman, Sir MJ.
I know. We can't wait. Parang naman natin si Nikki, ang pretty boy from Las Piñas City. Thank you very much. Okay, time to meet the next camper.
Mabugay, mayong gabi sa iyong tanan. Ako ni IC Pipoy from the City of Fruits and Highland Springs, Kinabawan City, North Cotabato.
Yay! Hi, B-Boy!
Hello.
Big boy of sunshine! Bakit sunshine?
Yeah, I think...
I can see!
Yeah. I think naman I exude that kind of energy.
Okay.
Positive energy. Tapos sabi nga ni EJ, radiating positive energy in one smile.
Right. Nakita ko yung parang profile video mo na upload ng Sparks Camp, and then you said na one of the reasons why you wanted to join is you wanted to spread your wings, no? Parang yung dating scene mo, parang hindi naman dun sa idapawan lang. Gusto mong ma-explore yung other areas.
Yes. Kaya pinush ko yun kasi dapat yung target market buong Pilipinas na. Dapat hindi sa Mindanao lang. Ganun.
Ano ba target market mo?
Basta mahal ako.
Oh, pero kinikilig na si Amber. Kinikilig na si Richard. Oh, di ba? Kinikilig na sila. Pero, describe to me, ano ba yung mga, how would you describe your last few attempts to date?
Yeah, like,
Mahirap ba? Boy?
mahirap kasi I was boxed in my hometown. Tapos parang pili lang yung konti lang yung options, ganun. And then like dito, when I stepped dito sa Manila, parang, uy, ang dami na.
Okay.
Especially when I got in the cab, di ba?
Talaga? Wala ka rin kaparamdam? Well, Pipoy, theoretically, parang kunwari you're gonna go out on a date, anong extreme activity ang gusto mong gawin with your date?
Actually, MJ, I'm a free diver kasi.
Okay.
So, I'd like to take him to a free dive activity. Kasi iba talaga yung perspective if nasa under the sea ka with, magsiswim ka with the fishes, gano'n.
Right.
Kasi naman magsaspark ka tayo, yung surface lang yung makikita mo. While if nandun ka sa baba, makita mo talaga, you get to experience a whole lot of
Right, the School of Fish,
Yeah,
everything, di ba? So, naalala ko lang kanina, kasi nabanggit mo na parang konti lang yung options mo doon
Yes.
sa Paking-Kidapawan. Pero how is the dating scene back there?
Ganyan mga
Yeah, like, okay naman, nakapag-date
Conservative
naman ako.
ba?
Super, di naman conservative, but then like,
Limited?
limited, pero meron naman.
Okay.
Okay lang naman. Punta ka doon po.
No need na. No need na. Baka no need na. Baka no need. Pero ito, wait. So, let me go now to Sparks Camp. Itong, without spoiling anything, how would you describe your experience inside the camp?
Okay, grabe na Jud ni. Kaya na Jud ako. Yan po yung ma-explain ko lang. Grabe na Jud. It means grabe na talaga to.
Talaga?
So, yung experience ko, very...
Kasi people, kaya ako natanong,
Yes po.
sila kanina, ang mga sagot nila, si Martin sabi niya, kalaban. Sinabi ni ganyan. So parang I can imagine the energy inside the camp. How did, parang ikaw as coming from Kidapawan na medyo conservative and limited, adjust dun sa ganong environment?
Yes, kasi mahirap talaga, especially yung kultura namin.
I know.
Bisaya at saka Tagalog, very different.
Right.
However, hindi magpapatalo mga Bisaya.
Yes.
Of course, may papasabog ako.
Hindi ka nagpahuli.
Hindi pa nagpahuli.
Alright, welcome natin si Pipoy. Maraming salamat. We can't wait to see you inside the camp. Maraming salamat, Pipoy. Thank you. Okay, that's 6 already. Now, time to meet our 7th camper.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Universe Ramos and I'm your soft-hearted tutor of Sparks Camp Season 2.
Yay! Universe! Okay, I'm curious, Universe. First question. Yun talaga yung name?
Yep, that's my legal name.
Wow! Ano naisip ng parents mo nung binigyan ka ng name na Universe?
Honestly, it's out of competition kasi I was supposed to be named King or Prince.
Okay.
Pero sabi talaga ng lola ko from my dad's side, sabi niya mas bongga pa doon. So, since I think siguro minsan ko, 3 of my cousins already named Princess.
Okay.
Sabi ko, mas bongga.
Right! And Universe is such a unique name.
Thank you.
Di ba? Catchy ka agad. Nung nilabas nila yung profile ninyo ng Black Sheep, catchy ka agad yung Universe na name na nakita namin. Okay, you traveled from the US to the Philippines to find Spark. Di ba? To find that one Spark. Bakit ganun? Wala bang limited ba ang mga options sa LA? Where are you based in LA?
I'm based in West Hollywood.
Oh, see, ang dami na doon, Universe.
Options. Actually, this is gonna be my first. I've never had a Filipino jowa before.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'm gonna get an opportunity to do that and get in touch with my Filipino roots na rin. So,
Right.
when I heard the news na pasok ako, I was in Colombia back then pa eh. So, I said I'm gonna book a ticket, I'm gonna do this 100% in. And I've been single for 4 years now, so.
4 years.
Yes.
Okay, without spoiling, how was the experience inside the camp?
Alam mo, it's really truly unforgettable. It's such a remarkable experience na I would not exchange for anything else.
Right.
Yeah, super unforgettable. Ang saya.
Natutuwa ako Universe kasi tinan mo yung mix kanina si Tipoy, he came from a very conservative, place. Na limited yung options. Ikaw naman, you came from a very open and liberated, West Hollywood and Los Angeles. Paano yung interaction? Ang saya siguro.
Super. That would make me, I guess, highlight my qualities of being bold.
Okay.
I'm also probably one of the most delusional people you ever met in this world, so, abangan. If I'm not doing
Universe
anything-
is the Lulu.
Yes, it's the Sulu, it's true Lulu.
I know. Okay, wait. How did your family react when they learned that you made it to Sparks Camp Season 2?
So this is like many of my fellow campers, it's our love letter to come out to our family. So siguro yung mom and grandma ko lang nakakalan. So they're really happy and they're excited to watch and they love Filipino jokes. So I know they're gonna be entertained by the show because there's a lot. There's a lot.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Nagpahuli ka ba sa mga... Kasi ikaw, you grew up in the States, di ba? So, you're Filipino-American, right?
Yes.
Okay, so nagpahuli ka ba dun sa mga talagang naturally born Filipinos dito pagdating sa dating scene, getting the guy, anong mga ginamit mong moves?
Abangan siya.
Abangan. Kasi parang feeling ko, hindi ka nagpahuli eh.
No, hindi.
Hindi. Nope, hindi. Palagpakan natin si Universe. Thank you so much. We can't wait to see you inside the camp. Maraming salamat. Okay, we're down to our last camper. Ito na siya.
Mabuti, I'm Zuher Bautista from Pasig, ang campfire charmer ng season.
Hello, Zuher! Okay, Zuher, just to correct it, how do you pronounce your name talaga? Zuher or Zuher?
Zuher.
Zuher.
Zuher. Pwede,
Yeah.
Zoo na lang.
Zoo, I like that. Zoo. Welcome to Sparks Camp Season 2. Okay, bakit ka nag-decide to join Sparks Camp?
Well, nag-decide ako kasi una, hopeless romantic ako. So, why not try my luck? Tali naman natin, nandito yung dawan ko.
Right.
Manood ka sa finale or kung ano man.
Right. Pero, how was, without spoiling, how was the experience inside?
Ang experience sa loob, sobrang memorable. As
Okay.
in, lalo na yung mga challenges nila. Kasi itong show na to, parang halo-halo eh. May halong survival, may PvP, may MMA, kung ano-ano. Kaya sobrang
Right.
memorable talaga siya. Mahirap pero masaya kasi natapos.
Yung MMA na tutuloy ako, yung parang nakapatong dito. Parang wrestling match eh.
Oo,
Parang wrestling match.
Survivor style.
But, okay, wait. How was the... Because I've known you for quite a while. I mean, even before pa. Pero yung dating scene, nag-iba na.
Sobra.
So, paano? Na parang ka nag-adjust with that?
Well, to be honest, dito rin kasi ako nag-out. So, kung mapapanood ka sa susunod na episode na hindi ko pwede siyang i-spoil.
Right.
So, abangan nila lang. Mamaya na mapapanood nila yun.
Oh, wow. Actually, tomorrow, di ba yung pilot episode, June
Yeah,
26,
yeah.
mapapanood na siya worldwide, right? Worldwide. Itong, okay, in 3 words, describe your, fighting chance sa paghahanap ng spark. Fighting chance, inside the camp. Mahirap, madali, challenging,
Challenging, memorable, and worthy.
I like that. Worthy. Kasi syempre, you spend time and effort and emotions.
Yes.
Di ba? Dito tapos for you to... At tanong ko sana, nakahanap ka ba ng spark? Basta spoil na natin yung episode. Thank you, Zoo. Maraming Zoo.
Thank you,
Zoo. Palapakan natin si Zoo.